What does a bad starter sound like? You hear a whirring, grinding, or squealing sound from the engine. If you hear either a gentle whirring or an irritating screeching sound coming from under the hood when you turn the key, it's likely that a bad solenoid is causing freewheeling. How do I know if my starter or ignition switch is bad? If you turn on the ignition switch and hear a whining sound and the engine is not cranking, then it's possible that the starter gear is not engaging the flywheel. If this is occurring, then your starter may have to be replaced. How much does it cost to fix the starter? The cost to replace a car starter according to Repair Pal, replacing a car starter averages $344 to $562. The labor cost, on average, runs $128 to $163, while parts cost $216 to $399. Alan says he charges around $180 for a new car starter and $130 for labor costs. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.